To process a work order, usually what you do is you check to see if there's any material shortages. It goes through, verifies what's in stock and what's on hand and available for processing, and it will show you which items you're short for. From that point, you can add purchase orders or work orders based upon the way the item is set up, and wait till those items come in to start releasing product. If this work order is going to go in before other ones, you can go into View Bill of Material. This is where you would issue material for a work order. So you'd put in the quantity needed, and then it will know where that product is located. And then you can go ahead and select what bin that product is located if you have bin turned on, and then save it. And that will issue material for the work order, which is the raw materials. You can generate a pick list or a shop traveler and a routing sheet. The routing sheet will show you what labor is needed. Same thing with the shop traveler. Those are all barcoded so you can scan them as well. And when you're done, you can hit save.